Have you ever pondered over the question, how can I secure my financial future? Well, you're not alone. Many share this concern, and the answer lies in effective financial planning. So what is financial planning, you ask? It is the process of setting, planning, achieving, and reviewing your life goals through the proper management of your finances. It's not just about buying products like a pension or ISA, it's about the process, not the product. The first step in this process is to understand your current financial situation. This includes everything from your income and expenses to your assets and liabilities. Don't overlook the small details. Every penny counts when you're planning for the future. Next, establish your financial goals. Ask yourself, what do I want for my future? This could be anything from buying a home or a car to planning for retirement or your children's education. Make sure your goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Once you've set your goals, it's time to develop a plan. This is where you outline the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. This may involve cutting back on non-essential spending, investing wisely, or increasing your income. Implementing your plan is the next step. It's one thing to have a plan, but it's another thing entirely to follow through with it. This requires discipline and perseverance. Finally, review and revise your plan regularly. Financial planning isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. Your financial situation, goals, and plan may change over time, and that's okay. What's important is that you're proactive in adjusting your plan as needed. Now let's recap. You start by understanding your current financial situation. You then establish your goals, making sure they are SMART. After that, you develop a plan to achieve these goals. You then implement your plan, and finally, review and revise it as necessary. Remember, financial planning is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Your plan will be unique to you, reflecting your personal situation, goals, and risk tolerance. So the next time you find yourself asking, how can I secure my financial future? Remember that the answer is in effective financial planning. It's your roadmap to financial security, helping you navigate through the maze of financial decisions you'll face throughout your life. In the end, financial planning is about more than just money. It's about peace of mind, knowing that you're on the right track to achieving your financial goals and securing your future. So go ahead, take that first step. Understand your finances, set your goals, make your plan, implement it, and review it. Your future self will thank you. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today. Your